Hi everyone, and welcome to this Video Song Frontier video. My name is Jay Wakefield, and today I want to do an unboxing of something. Now, the thing I want to unbox, I'm actually holding here. Now, with the size of the box and the weight of it, I reckon it's going to be something like a floppy disk or a thimble or something wee like that. Nah, we're getting on. So, I've got a trusty wee knife here that's probably going to need to go in the dishwasher afterwards. But as ever, folks, make sure you have a responsible adult with you when handling knives. I don't actually have that responsible adult. All I have is my flatmate who's filming this. But never mind, we're going to continue anyway. Into the box's subcutaneous fatty tissues. Jay's been listening to medical lectures again. I better really check myself if I found a rectus sheath sitting underneath. Well, in certain parts of Great Britain, that's actually could be more possible than finding a computer or anything. Okay, so the first thing that I notice is the guys actually packed me some bubble wrap. Now I don't remember ordering bubble wrap, but actually there's a couple of things here. Okay, if I unwrap this looks like the RF conversion module to an Amiga. Plugs into the back of the Amiga and then sticks out at a very awkward angle. You've got audio in and out, and then you've got RF out. So that's very nice. I'll just kind of put that there. Now today is very Drocket, so I am not going to be able to bear this on instantly. I'm going to have to let this warm to room temperature, as you should too, when getting any new computer equipment. Here is the power supply, and to be honest, that is not a good sign, if I'm going to be completely honest. That is not a good sign, actually. Actually, I know what it is. I think I'm going to need a plug. Could they not be bothered actually putting the plug in previously? That is just pathetic. I'm going to have to buy one out of Square One or something. I don't know what type I'm going to need, because I'm pretty sure this probably wants fused or something. Okay, this power supply, my goodness, it is very, very yellowed. In fact, it's brown. And as said in LGR videos, the power supply is, the power switch is actually on the power supply itself, which is a wee bit odd. I'll just throw this yellow pedal to one side. Okay, so now here's something really big. I wonder what this could be. So far I've been given loads and loads of parts to an Amiga. Oh, and here's a key. This must be my free gift. Whatever it is, it's wrapped up in tinfoil and it's yellow. See, that's got rid of all the rectus bubble wrap. Oh look! This, ladies and gentlemen, looks like it could be an Amiga 500. So on the back you've got audio parts, you've got 2 joystick parts, phono, disk drive part, serial part, parallel part. Now I'm doing the PC World thing, I'm reading off the back here. The power jack input. Then you've got RGB video if you had a Commodore monitor, which I don't, and a mono RF out. If I plugged straight into there, I would only get black and white for some messed up reason. So this is why I have this wee comrade, which actually will give me colour. And I think I've found where the free gift will be coming in handy. Where did I put the free gift? There it is. Yeah, that's fucked. Broken. Oh dear. Okay, well, I think it works, kind of, in a fashion. Someone seems to have modified this. They put a power switch on the unit itself, I think. So that shouldn't be there. And I don't like this modified let's get rid of all the keys malarkey. I don't know, never heard of that. But there's a wee note on it. It says, eBay seller, thank you for buying from us. We hope you enjoy your purchase. Your custom is very much appreciated. Aye, so would the rest of the keys to the keyboard. I'm just going to put that there, just for the time being. You're going to film it falling over. It'll be quite embarrassing. Let's see if we've got any more keys or any plugs or anything. Turns out not. However, I'm quite impressed that we still have the original foam inserts, but because this isn't the original box, I'm going to be able to throw it out. So that concludes this unboxing video. Thank you for watching, and thank you to my flatmate for filming it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Instructions on how to do so will of course follow. And if you do subscribe to my channel, I might even connect this baby up and see what's happening once I get a plug. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you'll tune back for more soon.